Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel. In today's video I'll sharing some delight fall season bulletin board ideas that are perfect for preschools. But before we dive into the craft, let's talk about why decorating with a fall theme is so popular in these educational settings. The fall season brings with it a sense of warm change and natural beauty. It's a time when leaves change color, harvest festivals take place, and the air becomes crisp. Incorporating a fall theme into preschool classroom not only celebrates the season but also offers numerous educational and developmental benefits for young children. First, Firstly, decorating with a fall theme provides a wonderful opportunity for sensory exploration. Preschoolers can engage their sense by touching and feeling different textures such as leaves, pine cones, and acorns. They can also explore the vibrant color of fall through art activity like creating leaf rubbings or painting with autumn hues. This sensory rich environment enhances their sensory perception, fine motor skills, and overall sensory integration. Secondly, the fall theme encourages an appreciation for nature and the changing seasons. Preschoolers can learn about the life cycles of trees and the migration of birds and concept of harvest by incorporating nature-related elements into bulletin boards such as leaves, pumpkins, and stray crows. Children develop a deeper understanding of the world around them. Furthermore, the fall theme promotes language and literacy development. Teachers can incorporate fall theme vocabulary words such as autumn, harvest, and pumpkin into their lessons. Bulletin boards can feature word walls where children can practice letters, recognition, spelling, and expanding their vocabulary. This exposure to fall related words and concepts helps strengthen their language skills and foster a love for reading and writing. So, if you are looking to create a captivating and educational environment in your preschool classroom, the fall theme is a perfect choice and easy to make bulletin board ideas that you can recreate. Let's bring the beauty of fall into our classroom and inspire young minds. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more fun and educational ideas. Let's dive into the world of fall inspired bulletin board ideas together. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.